What's up, everyone? Welcome to Module 2. This one's going to be very exciting. We're going to be talking about all of the ways that you need to master to become a Facebook ads ninja with the actual platform itself. We're going to talk about how to install your pixel the right way, how to season it, how to use it, how to make sure that you're leveraging the unbelievable power of Facebook with your pixel, guys. And a Facebook epiphany. I'm going to try to go through a few Facebook epiphanies, at least one per module. To sell on Facebook, you need to stop treating your fans and potential customers like a commodity and start treating them like your friends, right? People on Facebook are not going on Facebook to buy things. People on Facebook are not going on Facebook to buy things. They're going on Facebook to connect with friends and family. They're going on Facebook, in a passive way to kind of, ease their mind, or because it makes them feel comfortable when they're on the train or the bus or in the commute or something like that, right? Being successful with Facebook ads is actually a very simple formula. You add value, you build a relationship, and you sell occasionally, and that will give you big Facebook ad profits. We're just going to show you how to do it the right way. So, installing your pixel the right way, I considered doing like a huge tutorial for this, and I actually wrote out some of it and started to do it. But these things change so often. How you install the pixel on ClickFunnels or WordPress or Shopify, they change so often that me making a tutorial specifically how to do it is not necessarily going to be the best way to do it. And so I actually link you directly to, from the source itself, Facebook help articles that they update every single time there's any change for kind of the big platforms here. But I am going to go quickly through just a couple of them to show you guys kind of how easy it is to follow along these tutorials. So since we already have our pixel created, we can skip the create a pixel step, but we can download the Facebook for WordPress extension here. And so we're going to go to the pixel section in Ads Manager, which we know how to get to right here with all tools and pixels. We're going to click Setup Pixel, use an integration or tag manager, and we're going to click WordPress. So we're going to click View Setup Instructions here. And just like it says, use an integration or tag manager. Use an integration or tag manager. And we are going to select WordPress. Supported for 4.4 or above. We're going to go to download. And now we are going to upload Facebook for WordPress extension, log into WordPress. So we're logged into WordPress here. We're going to click the little plugin button here and add new. And we're going to go to upload plugin, choose file, and we're going to choose what we just downloaded, and we're going to install now. Installing plugin from uploaded file, Facebook pixel for WordPress.zip, unpacking the package, installing the plugin, plugin installed successfully, activate plugin. All right, and so once we click Activate Plugin, you successfully set up your pixel, learn how to start running ads on Facebook using conversion optimization and tracking. Yay, okay, cool. Plugin activated, so now we have our pixel successfully installed on our WordPress site. So the next one we're gonna talk about is ClickFunnels, right? So ClickFunnels is just as easy. So we're gonna go to ClickFunnels here. We're just gonna choose one of our random little funnels. I mean, it doesn't matter, it's all the same. Kind of you do it in the same way. We're going to go into this one, the Shopify mini course. We're going to go to settings. And over here in the head tracking code and settings, this is the pixel for the entire funnel, right? So if I had like 10 funnel steps here and I installed the pixel here, it would automatically install the pixel on every head tracking page on the funnel wide, right? So for all 10 steps. So let's say that I had 3 steps, like a registration page, an order page, and a thank you page. If I only wanted to track people that landed on the thank you page, I would put a purchase snippet, which we'll talk about, custom event codes for Shopify, or for ClickFunnels specifically. But for now, we're just going to talk about how to install your pixel for your whole site, because then you can do like 95% of the stuff you need to just really easily like this. So we're going to go back in here. We're going to go to setup. We're still in the event, all tools, pixels section, and we're just going to go to setup here. Manually install the code yourself. Click it right here, it copies it to the clipboard, and then in ClickFunnels, we just come in here, right? My pixel's already installed, but I would just paste it right here, and I would go to save and update settings, and it's seriously as simple as that, guys. And then the last one over here in the good old test store, we're going to go to online store here. And then we're going to go to preferences, and here is our Facebook pixel ID, which we can see right here in the same section. So we just take this, come in here, paste in our pixel ID, and click save. And Facebook and Shopify have a relationship, right? So it's all you literally have to do is that one step, and then Shopify will automatically track everything you could ever possibly want to know, like add to cart events, purchase events, add payment, view content, page view. It literally automatically codes to do it all for you, so you don't have to install any custom events like you would have to do with ClickFunnels. And that's pretty much it, guys. In 5 minutes, we set up our pixel, completely correctly in the correct way for these different tools. And we have all of the tutorials right here. So if we wanted to figure out how to do it on Shopify, we click Shopify, right? If we want to figure out how to do it on ClickFunnels, we click ClickFunnels, and then it's going to take us a step by step instructions on exactly how to do this with all of the major platforms, guys. So it's really not that difficult. Don't let yourself get overwhelmed, right? Always a Google search can help you. Last note really quick, guys, the Pixel Helper is a cool little tool that you can kind of use to figure out if you actually do have your Pixel installed correctly. So if we just go to my website here, we can see that my Facebook Pixel is indeed, working correctly. And I do have two here because I have multiple business managers, but yes, it is installed correctly. So that is the Pixel Helper tool. And again, here are instructions for you guys because I never want to skip any steps. I always want to give you guys every single resource that you could possibly need to be successful, guys. So that is the Pixel. Here are the walkthroughs. I went through 3 of them super quick for you guys just to show you how easy it is. And now we are going to move on to the ad lifecycle. So I hope you enjoyed that one, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.